Ads is a very important part for digital marketing, and ads is a little bit tough. Hi everyone, I'm Astha Jain. I'm from Jaipur. I'm a fashion designer. As I've completed my fashion designing, I did several jobs. Then I started my own venture called Loka Circle. For Loka Circle, I started doing digital marketing on several platforms like Instagram and YouTube. But then I realized that there was a need for me to learn digital marketing. For that purpose, I started searching for Digital Marketing Institute, and therefore I came across Venture Hub Academy. My brand Loka Circle deals in women's wear, accessories, clothes. It is a brand that deals in sustainable wear, and we offer clothing that is more sustainable and holistic. My brand Loka Circle deals in women's wear, which is inspired by summer wear and resort wear. It is a full cotton clothing for women, and we are very much inspired by handcrafted things like embroideries and hand paintings on clothing. Therefore, we include a lot of hand painting and embroideries and crochet in our all products. When I inquired at the Venture Hub Academy, I was very confused and didn't know what all will I learn in the digital marketing course. But as they guided me through the course curriculum, I was convinced that I should start with my digital marketing course. And therefore, when I started a digital marketing course, my capstone project was my own brand, Loka Circle. And as I started with the course, it started with the very basic of all the things, and therefore it gave me clarity of what my brand should exactly be about and how it should progress. Therefore, it set the base for my course overall. After setting the base, we started with building our website, and as we started with our website building, I thought it was a very difficult process and it will take a lot of time. But as Sir taught us, it was in a very simple and easy way. Therefore, website building became so easy, and I really learned it well with those steps. And after that, we jumped on to SEO. And SEO, as we all know, is a very big buzzword in the digital marketing industry, and it is very important. So I was very much didn't know how to do SEO and how we implement it. But as Sir taught us, and it became so easy to understand and implement, because as we learned about SEO, we practically implemented it as well on our websites. And other students were doing their project on other topics or service-based businesses that they had. So we can see the overall results of SEO, and what we were taught, we could see the results in the same day. Therefore, we got to know how to use and implement SEO. As we think about social media, there are too many platforms and it is all so overwhelming. But as Vaishali ma'am started teaching us, it was all so much easy, and it was so synchronized that we did all the social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn in a very well manner. It started with profile optimization, and as we did profile optimization, I realized that the basic of the profiles were also not maintained, but as she taught us, we were able to optimize our profiles very well. And now we could say that we are it's a brand's page or something like that. So I was very happy about that. So later on, as we moved to performance ads marketing, ads is a very important part for digital marketing, and ads is a little bit tough. Actually, this is the main part of digital marketing, because as we do SEO, social media and everything, ads are equally important to reach to the target audience. Maybe more quickly than the organic search. Ads is a very important part, and therefore it needs to be learned very well, because in the greater run, it is very important to reach to the right audience or the target customer, and to increase our growth. With learning everything, I'm very hopeful that I will be able to grow my brand, and therefore I'm very thankful to Ashwadeep sir and Vaishali ma'am for guiding us in the course like a friend, and it was not at all a boring class but a very friendly one. So yeah, in the end I would like to just say thank you.